OECS Commission is currently implementing projects with various partners to enhance water security throughout the region. These projects range from the development of policy, legislation, and institutional frameworks, to data management and water information systems, to physical, on-the-ground initiatives that promote healthy ecosystems, which lead to improved water quality and water availability. The Integrating Water, Land, and Ecosystems Management in Caribbean Small Island Developing States (IWECO) project is one such project. It's funded primarily by the Global Environment Facility, with significant co-financing from the United Nations Environment Programme, the United Nations Development Programme, the Caribbean Public Health Agency, and the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States. One of the primary activities under this project is the development and implementation of a regional action framework for integrated water resources management for the CARICOM region. The objective is to strengthen the policy, legislative, and institutional mechanisms and capacity building for integrated water resources management and ecosystem services management, while increasing climate and disaster resilience within the region. The OECS Commission has also partnered with the Caribbean Community Climate Change Center to implement on-the-ground water investment initiatives in St. Lucia. They're geared at increasing water availability and water quality through enhanced storage, catchment rehabilitation, optimized water abstraction, and decentralized solar-powered water treatment. This is being done through the overarching EU GCCA Plus program, specifically enhancing climate resilience in CARIFORUM countries. Additionally, the integrated landscape approaches and investments in sustainable management in the OECS project, also known as the ILM project, and the biodiversity support for ACP Coastal Environments project, also known as the Biospace project, are both funded by the European Union, and they include the development of policies as well as implementation of on-the-ground interventions to enhance water quality through the support of healthy and resilient biodiversity and ecosystems. The importance of water for all was recognized by the 2030 Development Agenda through Sustainable Development Goal SDG 6, Water and Sanitation for All by 2030. SDG 6 recognizes that water scarcity affects more than 40% of people around the world, a figure that is projected to increase with the rise of global temperatures as a result of climate change. In light of this, the OECS Commission is committed to implementing strategic actions contained in the revised St. George's Declaration of Principles for Environmental Sustainability in the OECS, including collective action related to threats to freshwater resources.